And here we go now. And the I Quit match is underway. Folks, there are no pinfalls. There are no countouts. There are no disqualifications. No time limit. The corporate team has been barred from ringside. Rock in control, and the champion is reeling.
Oh, come on, Rock. Put him away.
On the announce table now. Oh, rock bottom. And they have busted right through the announce table.
Say I quit now, you piece of monkey crap. Up yours, Rock.
Yours. That was close to 600 pounds, and the table exploded.
I knew that Mankind had gained weight.
This is Mick Foley's type of match.
Yeah, because he's an idiot.
Mick Foley has slept on hotel floors, slept in cars to get to center stage, to get to this type of match. Nobody has ever had the dedication of Mick Foley, the love of what he does. All he ever wanted to do is hold the championship and hear the people cheer. And that's what's happening here tonight. Nicely avoided there.
Mankind absorbing punishment here.
What a government mule beating Mankind is taking.
Man, that leg's been so damaged. I'm not ready to call the match just yet, but that leg's in terrible shape. No one does it better than The Rock.
I can smell what he's smelling. Rock's going to climb the ladder into the crowd, and Mankind's coming up after him. Rock must be 12 feet off the floor.
Oh my God, where are they going?
Rock and Mankind battling now. Almost on a tightrope. High above the floor.
Oh my God, be careful, Rock. Be careful.
Oh my God! Mick Foley went through the electrical circuit board. Christ almighty! Mick Foley may have been electrocuted.
No, wait a minute, he's still moving. This idiot doesn't even know when he's been beat.
Mankind fell 12 feet from the stands and landed on that electrical equipment. My God! King, they gotta stop this thing.
This son of a bitch is gonna scream, I quit.
For God's sake, Rock, ask the man if he quits. Rock is continuing to inflict punishment on Mankind. Mick Foley's gone through Rock.
And The Rock nails the spine buster. Okay, I'll admit it. That's enough.
Mick Foley, say I quit. Come on, Mick, just say it.
Yeah, come on, Mick. Say it.
Say it. King, nobody's going to think any less of Mick Foley if he says it now.
Okay, I agree. He needs to say it.
Please, Mick, say it.
JR, the only person that can stop this thing is Mick Foley himself.
Mr. McMahon, if you're back there, please do something.
Now the Rock guaranteed to the millions and millions of the Rock fans that he'd make that SOB scream, I quit. Mankind, your monkey ass says, I quit. I quit. I quit. I quit.
What? He said it.
Now get your ass over there and award the Rock the championship.
The Rock makes me sick.
Your winner